Hey there, are you looking to expand your affiliate marketing game? This week, I'll show you how to promote affiliate products on Craigslist effectively and legally. Craigslist, with its vast audience and localized reach, can be an excellent platform to boost your affiliate sales. However, it's important to navigate this platform carefully to comply with their policies and maximize your marketing efforts. In this guide, we'll explore the steps to seamlessly introduce your affiliate products to Craigslist users. Step 1. Understand Craigslist policies. Before diving into promoting affiliate products, it's crucial to understand Craigslist's terms of use. Direct affiliate links are generally prohibited to maintain the user experience and prevent spam. Read through Craigslist's guidelines to avoid any breaches that could lead to post removal or account suspension. Knowing these rules helps you strategize effectively, ensuring your promotional efforts are compliant and constructive. Step 2. Choose the right category and location. Selecting the appropriate category and location is essential in reaching your target audience. Choose categories that align with your affiliate product. For instance, promote technological gadgets in the electronics section. Localize your ads by selecting city-specific Craigslist pages. Tailoring your posts to specific regions makes them more relevant and can significantly improve response rates from potential customers interested in local deals. Step 3. Craft an engaging and informative post. The key to catching the attention of Craigslist users is through engaging and informative ad copies. Write compelling titles that include your main keywords and relevant information without appearing spammy. In your post, explain the benefit of the product, why it's valuable, and how it addresses users' needs. Focus on using trust-building language and ensure clarity on any terms related to the purchase. Incorporate a call to action, suggesting readers reach out for more information or to visit a separate landing page for additional details. Step 4. Use a landing page. Since directly posting affiliate links is discouraged, use a landing page as an intermediary step. Create a dedicated page that provides comprehensive information about the affiliate product along with your affiliate link. Emphasize the product's value proposition and incorporate user reviews or testimonials. This approach not only complies with Craigslist policies, but also allows you to track user interactions and tailor future campaigns based on visitor data and behavior analysis. Step 5. Monitor and optimize your ads. Once your ads are live, monitoring performance is necessary for optimizing results. Observe which ads are generating inquiries or traffic to your landing page and tweak them to improve engagement. Alter titles or descriptions. Test different posting times, or even adjust the geographic location to see what resonates best with your audience. Consistent evaluation and iteration help refine strategies, making each subsequent post even more effective. Promoting affiliate products on Craigslist requires a thoughtful approach and adherence to the platform's rules. By understanding how to use Craigslist properly, selecting the right categories, crafting compelling posts, utilizing landing pages, and continually optimizing ad performance, you can effectively leverage this platform to expand your affiliate marketing reach. Remember to maintain a transparent and customer-focused approach in all communications to build trust and credibility with your audience. Good luck, and may your affiliate marketing efforts on Craigslist be both fruitful and compliant.